The use of chemical pesticides has been a critical concern in the growth of food in Africa and beyond. Founded in 2003, Real IPM proactively set out to develop low-cost and holistic biological solutions to reduce the use of chemical pesticides.
The mission of Real IPM is to reduce the use of synthetic pesticides on crops. As you well know, the use of chemicals can be harmful if not well used to the environment and to human beings. So in line with this, Real IPM has focused mainly on production of biological controls on crops.
Basically what we do is we produce the natural enemies which help tackle crop pests, and mostly the pests that we target are thrips, spider mites and mealybugs. We have real Swarovski, we have real Montdrensis, we have real cucumeris, we have hypoaspis or the hefty mites which tackles the pupa stages on the soil. We also have Aureus lavigatus. On to spider mites, we have Phytocoelans. This is real Phytocoelans. We have real Californicas, we have real Andersoni, and real Montdrensis also, which tackles spider mites.
For nearly 20 years now, Real IPM is standing out as the leading biological control company in Africa, also serving growers in Europe, Canada, North and South America. We mass produce a first-class range of biopesticides and natural enemies under the Belgium-based mother company BioBest Group, which is the leading biological control agents solutions provider globally. Strategically aligned to both Kenya's Vision 2030 and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, Real IPM provides large and small-scale farmers with comprehensive crop protection solutions.
In biopesticide labs, we usually have 3 categories of biocontrols. We have the bacterial-based, the fungi-based, and we have the attractants. For the bacterial-based, we have 2 types. We have the regain. In this case, regain works against the powdery mildew, against botrytis, and the leaf miners. We have another bacteria-based product by the name Subdue. Subdue controls the caterpillars on plants. Our second category of products is the fungal-based products. We have the Metalhizium strains, and for the Metalhizium strains we have quite a number. We have the Campaign, we have Achieve, we have Takeoff, we have Detain, we have Supreme. It works against the aphids. The Campaign works against the mealybugs and thrips. Achieve works against the spider mites. Takeoff works against the ticks. We have Detain, which works against the fall armyworm. We have another fungal-based product by the name Sustain, which is a biofertilizer, and it also works against the nematodes, the soil-borne nematodes. We have another category of products, the third one, with the attractants. In this case, we have a product by the name Pull-It. Pull-It attracts the thrips. We have a category of our products which normally contains both the bacteria and the fungi. We have a product by the name Flourish. Flourish is a biofertilizer. We don't categorize it as a category of production, but it has 2 of our products. We have the Regain and the Sustain. That combination is what we call Flourish, and it is a very strong biofertilizer. In our fungus category of products, we have a product by the name Prevail. Prevail works against the leaf miners and the fruit flies. Now let's look at our products formulations. We have 2 major formulations. For the fungal-based, we have an oil formulated product, and we have the total fermented products. We usually have quite a number of packages for our products. We have the 5-liter packages, we have the 1-liter packages, we have 200 mils, we have 100 mils, and we also have the 40 mils, which is ideal for the knapsack sprays. For our bacteria-based products, we only have one type of formulation, which is the water-based. For the fungal-based, we have a formulation which is majorly meant for exports, which is called the technical grade, whereby we have our microbe in form of spores, where we usually package in smaller sachets in a formulation called the technical grade, which is the combination of our microbe and a carrier material, which is normally meant for exports, but it can as well be sold in our country, Kenya.
What we do in quality control department, we assess the concentration of the products, we assess the viability of the products, and also we also assess the packaging before they leave to the customers.
With over 300 staff members, Real IPM has an experienced team of qualified trainers, consultants, and a proactive system of professionals who ensure customers get the most out of their investment in capacity building.
In Real IPM, we have a variety of trainings that we conduct, approximately 22, that we target small-scale farmers and large-scale farmers here in Kenya and even across South African countries. Some of them includes ensuring that farmers know how to use safe and effective pesticides in their farm. We have trainings that covers integrated pest management, which is one of the main focus that the market is looking at, both the local market and the export market. And we have other trainings that are more specialized for managers and crop protection managers from various farms, which includes basis and facts.
Hapa tuna hiki kilimo ambacho tunakiita vertical farming kwa kutumia sacks. Hapa niko na different sizes of the sacks. Niko na the large one ambayo inapandwa 100 plants sideways round, and then on top unaweza panda vitu zingine kama vile danias, unaweza panda vitunguu, carrots, cabbages. Hiyo ni shamba ya pale juu, lakini kwa mashimo sideways round tuna prefer skumas, spinaches, managu, tereres. Then tuko na size ingine ya ngunia ambayo nayo tunaita medium bag. Hii nayo ngunia tunaipanda 8 plants kwa mashimo. Nadhani unaiona vizuri. Tuko na size ingine hapa tunaita medium tall. Hii nayo gunia ni size ndogo kiasi, nayo tunaipanda 70 plants sideways round kama vile nimeeleza ya kwanza. Then tuna size ingine hapa ambayo nayo ndio the smallest. Hii ni ngunia ndogo, nayo hii unaweza ita balcony bag. Hii ni ya 40 plants. Wakati tunapofanya hiki kilimo kwa kutumia hizi sacks, tunajaribu kwa njia ingine tuweze kuutilize zile spaces tuko nazo kwa compound zetu. Pengine labda mkulima anaweza kuwa anasema ana shamba kubwa, lakini ile kidogo unayo, hiyo ndio tunasema unafaa kuitumia kwa kulima ukitumia vertical bags. Vile vile tuko na stickers. These are sticky traps. Kuna ya yellow, kuna ya blue. Hizi zote huwa zinatumika kama sticky traps. Upande wa kulia niko na yellow trap. Hii ni trap ambayo hii ni ya kutrap wadudu kama vile kuna white flies, the yellow one. So mahali utaweka hii mtego, kama una challenge ya white flies itashika nyingi kwa sababu yenyewe ni sticky. Bila hata kutumia any product unaweza tumia hii na uweze kucontrol white flies kutokana na kuingia kwa shamba yako. Upande wa kushoto niko na trap ya blue, na hii nayo sana sana ushika thrips. So wale wadudu vile vile unaweza wa control kwa kutumia these sticky traps. Then kuna roller traps, kuna yellow, vile vile kuna the blue one. for thrips, for white flies. Tena pia niko na mtego mwingine hapa. Huu mtego delta trap. Vile mnaiona inakaa board hivi. Huu nao ni mtego wa kutega sana sana kwa wale watu wanasumbuliwa na tutor absoluta. Bila kutumia any product unaweza control tutor kwa shamba yako, sana sana kwa nyanya, kwa kutumia huu mtego. Inaitwa delta trap. Yenye sasa imeweza kufanya kazi ndio hii. Hii iko tayari sasa. Nadhani pale ndani utaona vile vile ziliingia pale ndani, na kama tungekuwa tumeweka hii vipepeo zote zingekuwa zimesambaza ile stage ambayo tunaita tutor ama ile month yenye itaweza kuharibu nyanya zako. Vile tuko na mtego mwingine hapa ambayo unaitwa fruit fly trap. Nayo hii trap ni ya fruit. Wakati tunapozungumzia miti ya matunda tunazungumzia kuhusu maembe, avocados. Kuna miti ingine ya matunda ambayo tunaijua kama passion fruits. Kwa wakati huu tuko upande wa vermiculture unit, na vermiculture unit ni kumaanisha pale ni mahali sasa unaweza weka vitu kama earthworms. Earthworms ni wadudu wako hai, na benefits za earthworms kuna vile kupata organic fertilizers kutokana na zile worms, that is urine and the cast. So both unaweza zitumia kama organic fertilizer. The liquid one ndio hiyo tunaita urine, ama mkonjo wa earthworms unaweza tumia kama organic foliar feed kwa kuspray kwa mimea yako, even for drenching ni nzuri sana. Then hizo droppings vile nayo unaweza itumia kama organic manure ama organic compost. Hiyo tunaitanga vermicompost.
Our objective in the training department is to ensure that we fill in the knowledge gap that the farmers need to ensure that they achieve the best in their crop protection and crop production practices.
The IPM has not been working alone with other stakeholders whom we have been working together to make sure that the farmers have the best solutions. These include IPM, who have been working for quite a number of years to develop biopesticide products. Others include self-help group through Agrify project that has supported us in terms of resources to make us reach more farmers.
With Africa's economy dependent on agriculture, Real IPM is positioned to deliver safe and reliable food production. Real IPM, real solutions, real farming.